Hello my friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. We have unusual sight here, Toyota Sienna, and apparently something's wrong with one of those front axles. My neighboring shop invited me to look at it and share it with you. Something unusual. So what is happening here? Oh my God, I never saw anything like that in my life.
Yeah, this tire was packed full of mud, so what we're thinking is that they got off and it started spinning and then it grabbed traction and broke it. But
wow.
yes.
So I will spin this so everybody, even the beginner, can see how it's supposed to look like. It's a connecting CV axle which powers front wheels, and here is the other insanity. Wow. So that means it got overloaded.
Yeah.
And it just gave up.
Yeah. We'll get it out and you can take a picture of it apart. Take a video of it.
This is incredible. Thank you guys for sharing. These are the noises. That entire CV joint basically gave up and broke. That's what's happening here right now. I'm dealing with the light, but this is good. You can see it. So here are the details. It was just removed, and you see that CV joint. It's just all kaput, and that's the way sometimes it happens, I guess. How often do you see it, Chet?
Every once in a while.
Oh, okay.
Probably once a year.
Once a year.
Not,
Okay.
not usually on a Toyota. Usually it's some kid driving a car with a manual transmission.
I see. Well, cool. Thank you so much.
Yep.
And I just really quickly wanted to share that with you. It's something what you don't see every day. I never saw one which popped and snapped like that, actually, ever. So it's always good if the neighbor is offering something special. I always grab the camera, run there, and film it to share it with you. I hope you like that. If you did, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. Catch you later, alligator.